This is a nature walk.
Say hi. 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 Good job. Hi. Hi. Say.
Yeah, we got.
Hey, wait. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Blow the candle.
Closer, Daddy. Good job. One more time. Ready, blow. Ready, blow. Blow the candle.
Go.
Okay.
One more time. Blow the candle. Blow the candle. One more time. Yay! Careful.
Beautiful.
Go grab a buddy. Can you grab a paper towel? Just wait, baby. Just wait. Well, look, Peppa Pig is playing on the swing. Just wait. Just wait. There you go. Tara, have some cake. Whoa! What do you have? Oh, wow. What do you have? Yay! Yes! What do you see? What do you have, Kara? What do you have? Huh? You want to open the presents? Want to open the presents?
You want that one?
Daddy will help you. What do you have? Yay! What did you get? Yay! Are you having fun? Hey? Kara. What is that? A carrot. Where's your knife? Where's your knife? You have to cut into your knife. Yeah, that's the cutting board. Yeah, cutting board. Yes, you are correct. Wow, do you like them? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? You are tired. Yeah, we are so tired. Yesterday, we went to Callaway Park and then today, we went to water park. Di, tagal-tagal na namin din nag-vlog. 6 months na. Ngayon pa lang, hindi talaga kaya ng energy ko dahil pagod na pagod talaga ako. Busy si Nanay. Busy si Mudra. You can mix them up. That's from Peppa Pig, eh? Yeah. Ayo, malaki na siya. Si Adam nasa ilalim lang siya, nanonood ng Kailangan daw niya ng ng alone time. At si Tatang naman ay bumaba na. Ayan, ang mga laruan niya na she started liking Peppa Pig. She loves watching her. Do you like them? Did you have fun? I like them. I had fun. So, but I'm ngarag. I'm so ngarag today. So, see, look at that. You see that guy? He's so stressed right now.
I have no stress.
Oh, he has no stress. It's true. But he's tired. He's very tired. You never had a nap
Like
today.
some of yours.
Yeah, nakauwi kami dito, magtutuna nung natulog si Kara. So ako, took advantage. So, tumayo ako mag-aalas 5 na para makapagluto. Hindi talaga kaya ng powers ko. Kailangan kong dahil pagod na pagod kami kahapon. Pero nag-enjoy naman kami. So, yeah, binigyan kasi kami ng, yun ba yan? Binigyan kami ng ticket papuntang Callaway Park, libre lang. Dahil sa trabaho namin. Kaya in-enjoy na lang namin. Next week, mayroon kaming Calgary Zoo Pass. So, lagi kaming nandun. What time are you gonna, what you call this? Are you gonna stay? Yeah. What time are you going to bed? Oh, ganun lang pala. Inom lang ako ng coffee para magkaroon ako ng energy. Oh, mag-alas 8 na. Inom pa ako ng coffee. Kalimutan ko no. Sige, inom ako ng coffee. Matulog na lang ako sa trabaho bukas.
Instant coffee.
No, I still have the brewed one. Mag-ano ko, magpa-power nap ako. Lagi kong ginagawa yun. Aga-aga na natatapos ko yung trabaho ko. Hindi matulog. Kara, you still have your Peppa Pig from your cake here. Kung napapansin nyo, ganyan, lang yan. Hindi pa rin siya nagsasalita eh. Hindi pa siya nagsasalita, pero meron siyang way para makipag-communicate sa amin. Meron siyang konting mga delays. Hindi pa kami ready pag-usapan siya, pero we will share pag ready na. Well, we don't care, but right now, enjoy niyo muna yung birthday niya. Oh, diba? Little girl? Ayan. O, sige. I-close ko na muna to, ha? Ang dami-dami kong ginagawa. Ililigpit ko pa ang mga yan. Pero nakapaghugas na ako ng medyo natapos ko na yung mga kawali, something like that. Ito na lang. Mag-aayos-ayos lang dito. So, tinitignan ko pa kung iinumin ko yung coffee na yan eh. Alas 8 na eh. Pero alam niyo, hindi kasi ako tinatablan ng coffee. Kahit uminom ako ng coffee, nakakatulog pa rin ako. Sanay yung katawan ko. At ito namang isa, Miss Kara. Hey, you're on a video. Are you having fun? Are you? Hindi yan magsasagot. Pero naririnig kayo. Yeah? Yan siya. Pero pag nakita niyo yung niya sa yung video, tignan niyo ah. Would you like to say bye? Hi? Can you say hi? How do you say hi? No? You don't want to say hi? What are you doing? Are you going to show Peppa Pig? Can I see? Hey, pretty? Oh, pretty ah. Alam mo, kinuha mo na lahat ng ganda. Kuwang-kuha mo lahat ng kagandahan. Hindi ka man lang nagtira. Okay? Wow. Want to say goodnight? Can you blow kisses? Can you just do blow kisses? Even just once, please. Blow kisses. Can you do it? Blow kisses. Thank you. Birthday girl, say bye. Say bye. Mwah. Wee. You're showing what is that? A corn? You have corn. Bye. You're so cute. Yeah. Bye. Oh, you're tired.